Hello, lovely audience. Welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can bold text in your Twitter posts. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Whenever you want to post on Twitter, you cannot actually directly bold the text that you type into Twitter. As you can see here, I don't have any option to bold the text. Now, in order to bold the text, just simply open any of your browsers. After opening the browser, search for this Lingo Jam site. And after opening this site, you just simply have to enter the text that you want to post on Twitter in here. After entering the text, it will generate the bold text for you. You just simply have to select the text from here. After that, copy this to your clipboard. Go back to your Twitter where you want to post the bold text and just simply paste this bold text into here. Then, click to post. And then, your post will be posted on Twitter. After that, you can see it by going into your profile. As you can see here, my bold text is successfully posted on my Twitter by following these very easy steps. You can easily bold text on your Twitter. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.